ಓಟತ್ತೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ನಿಂಗಂತ 5
मम्मी चप्पल हाका निघा
आता
रेडी
काय आहे
ए मम्मी क्या खा रही है
आणि काय
Now audible, I think. Now audible. Now voice, are you able to hear? Okay. So last class we discussed regarding the straight line. Graphs we are discussing. Straight line. What are the different types of straight lines we come to know? One straight line is y is equal to mx, because last time I could not show that screenshot. Okay. Now you check it, y is equal to mx. Equation for straight line passing through origin, where m is the slope. But the second equation, y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Equation for the straight line not passing through origin, having positive y intercept. Next, y is equal to mx minus c. Equation for the straight line with having negative y intercept. Okay. Next one is y is equal to minus mx plus c. Regarding this graph, many asked, so how slope is negative? Y is equal to minus mx plus c. Here, with increasing x value, y value decreasing. Y value decreasing. Are you getting around? But decreasing linearly. When it is decreasing linearly, so then initially y value more, finally y value less. As you know, general formula for the slope, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y1 value more than y2. Due to that reason, slope is negative. So slope positive agbodu, illa andre negative agbodu, and it may be zero also, it may be infinity also. Because few members starting classes they asked, sir, slope may be positive or slope may be negative or like that some question they asked. Slope positive may be, it may be positive, it may be negative, it may be zero, and it may be infinity also. And one more graph also we have shown, we have seen that day. So if y constant, whenever the y coordinate is constant, graph is a straight line parallel to x-axis. It is parallel to which axis? X-axis. Always you have to remember. Whenever a graph is a straight line, okay, Nara? It was yesterday class only. Yesterday, because of the time, I have not showed the screenshot. Now I am showing the screenshot of yesterday class only. Okay, Nara? So video will be uploaded after the class. The video will be uploaded. You don't bother regarding this. Whenever a graph is a straight line parallel to x-axis. The example is when I plot the graph between displacement and time. If the body at rest, so position of the body will not change. Displacement will be constant. So what is the slope of the graph? Slope means s2 minus s1 divided by y2 minus y1, t2 minus t1. Only position value not changing. S2 minus s1 is 0. So total slope value will be equal to 0. Total slope value will be equal to 0. When slope is 0, sir, example is there. Example is there or not, sir? You don't bother regarding the exam. Still, I don't know that. First, you listen this. Next, whenever a graph is, whenever x coordinate is constant, so graph is a straight line parallel to y-axis. What is the slope of the graph? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 value 0. So slope value will be infinity. Till now, what we discussed, that is for the straight line. So what about the second type of graph? We will discuss regarding the parabola. So parabola. What is the second graph is parabola. Just I will give you the equation, and regarding that equation, what is the shape of the graph? So first equation, whenever, so y square is equal to kx. Y square is equal to kx. So graph is a parabola. Please re-explain the sign equation. Fifth equation. Where fifth equation? Which fifth one? Fifth one. No, fifth one. Whenever y coordinate is constant, graph is a straight line parallel to x-axis. Whenever if they told y coordinate is constant, so graph is a straight line parallel to x-axis. Whenever y coordinate is constant, the slope of the graph, y coordinate change ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Slope andre y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope value will be equal to 0. Something divided by 0 is said to be not defined, but you written infinity. Something divided by 0 is infinity, not measurable. Not defined means here infinity. Similarly, what about the sixth point? Sixth point is given by, and I given example for this also. Sixth point, whenever x is constant, if x is constant, graph is a straight line parallel to y-axis. Either y-axis, either x-axis. Whenever x constant. So what is the slope of the graph? Something divided by 0 can be also written as infinity. Infinity means you cannot able to measure it. Something divided by 0. What is parabola? Like straight line also you get this. There are some other shapes are there. Parabola will be there, circle will be there, ellipse will be there. Okay, na? So parabola, like straight line equation, y is equal to kx now. So whenever y square is equal to kx, this is of the form y square is equal to kx. The graph drawn between so y and x will be a symmetrical parabola. This is the shape of the graph. What is parabola? You will come to know in mathematics. Just whenever if you have seen like this formula, y square is equal to kx, where really k is a constant. Whenever y square proportional to x, y square value proportional to x. Last time, when y value proportional to x, so to remove the proportionality, y is equal to mx. This is equation for straight line. Whenever y square is proportional to x, y square is equal to kx. Whenever y square is equal to kx, this is the equation for parabola. Equation for which one? No? Parabola. What is parabola? You will come to know in mathematics. It is also one of the geometrical shape, like circle. This is the shape of parabola. Okay, na? So first equation. Similarly, we can also write whenever y square is equal to minus kx. Just to equation, what is the shape of the graph? A state. Y square is equal to minus kx. Same parabola, but on negative x-axis. Y square is equal to minus kx. Okay, na? What is parabola? You will come to know. Circle, parabola, ellipse. That all shapes will be there regarding the parabola. One complete chapter is there in mathematics. You will come to know. And third one is whenever so x square is equal to ky. The equation of the form x square is equal to ky. If this is the equation, so it is a parabola on y-axis. If x square is equal to minus ky, so parabola on negative y-axis. You not heard a name, so elliptical shape, circular shape, Seema. So that is the parabola. What we written still now, symmetrical parabola. And one more equation also there, y is equal to whenever we written ax plus bx square. Electrons will revolve around the nucleus in an elliptical orbit. Elliptical, you listen. Okay, you will come to know. So whenever y is equal to ax plus bx square, so if a and b are constant, if both are positive, if a also positive, b also positive, so shape is a parabola which is asymmetrical parabola. The graph drawn between y and x, it is also parabola but not symmetrical. It is asymmetrical parabola. The equation is of the form y is equal to ax plus bx square. Sir, parabola is the one of the geometrical shape. Like a straight line, parabola also one of the geometrical shape. For that parabola, there is an equation is there. That equation I am representing. If x square is equal to minus ky, graph is a parabola but on negative y-axis. Once again, I will explain. You don't be hurry. 100% you will come to know. As class will be uploaded. Y a value positive, b value positive. If the equation is of the form y is equal to ax plus bx square, so equation is a parabola. And one more, the fifth one, whenever, so y is equal to, if it is of the form ax minus bx square. So equation will be a parabola. So this will be asymmetrical parabola. The graph will be like this. Y is equal to, this is of the y and this is the value of x. Once again, I will explain all parabolas I will explain. For example, I will show one example. What is that example? Whenever a body projected vertically upwards, if the body projected vertically upwards with a velocity u. Now initial velocity of the body will be equal to u. Body projected vertically upward. The initial velocity of the body is u. Acceleration of the body a is equal to minus g. The vertical displacement of the body s is equal to y. And the time of flight of the body is t. Substituting all this equation in the form, so s is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Then what will get the answer? Y is equal to u into t minus half into g into t square. So this is of the form y is equal to so ax minus bx square. So whenever a body projected vertically, the body projected with making some angle, what is the path of the body followed will be a parabola. So parabola shape. Now actually this is called as projectile. For projectile. projectile. A body, what is a projectile? You will come to know. In motion in a plane. Any body which is thrown into the space by making some angle theta. Does the body will go in the same path? No. Because of the earth gravity, the path will be altered. The body will follow this path. So this is the path which is called as what? A parabola. In second chapter, you will come to know. So show that equation for the projectile is parabola. The path followed by the projectile is parabola. Actually, here I need to write. So this value will be equal to u is equal to u sine theta. Why sine theta I will come to know. Just this is one example I am giving. In this example, body projected into the space. A body projected into the space by making some angle theta. Because of the earth gravity, the body follows parabola path. Because it is projected like this, the path will be altered. Finally, it reaches to the ground in this path. Here velocity y u sine theta will come to know. Acceleration value minus g, displacement value y, time is t. Substituting all these values in this equation. So what I will get the answer here is given by 1 second. So what is the final equation I will get here? Substituting all these values in the formula for uniformly accelerated motion. Once again, I will show you. You don't bother recording this. So what is that is? S is equal to, substituting all these values in the formula, S is equal to ut plus half into a into t square. So then y is equal to u value u sine theta into t minus half into g into t square. This equation is of the form y is equal to ax minus bx square. Whenever the equation is of the form, so this is the equation for parabola. What is this equation? Parabola. Like a straight line we completed. Once you check, straight line we completed. After completion of the straight line, there is one more equations are there. One more geometrical shape is there. So what is the geometrical shape? Name is called as what? A parabola. Parabola. What are the different equations for representing parabola? Whenever y square is equal to kx, we need to plot the graph sometime. Y coordinate value, square of the y coordinate value directly proportional to x. Square of the example, if you want, I will give you example. A body started from the rest, moving with a uniform acceleration. Body started from the rest, u value 0. It is moving with a uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration andre a value will be constant. A value constant. So what is the displacement equation? S is equal to ut plus half at square. So S is equal to t square. Ili half a constant. S directly proportional to t square. Whenever S value directly proportional to t square, if I plot the graph between S and t, which one should be taken on x-axis? Which one should be taken on y-axis? Which value should be taken on x-axis and which value should be taken on y-axis? Are you getting all? Here, so t square value directly proportional to x or x square value directly proportional to x. What is y? Y is the y coordinate. T on x-axis I should take and s on y-axis I should take. Here, does y square proportional to x or x square proportional to y? What is the equation? X square proportional to y. When x square value proportional to y, so what is the shape of the graph? I will get the graph like this. Understood, Ara? So just what you need to remember, if you have to need to remember, whenever if I told, so what is the equation and what is the concerned shape of the graph? Parabola is a geometrical shape. Like for the straight line, y is equal to mx, how it is a straight line equation? Slowly only going around. Like for the straight line, so y is equal to mx is how it is equation. Like this, you will derive in mathematics also for parabola equation. Now derivation not necessary for us. So we want only the formula. Whenever I given a formula y square is equal to kx, you need to identify. So that is the equation corresponding to this graph. Okay, Nara? Similarly, whenever I given y square is equal to minus kx, whenever I given y square is equal to kx, you need to identify that is the equation for the parabola. Okay? Whenever I given y square is equal to minus kx, it is also parabola. Sir, all parabola passing through origin. Passing through origin or not, that you will come to know. So whether it is passing through origin initially, so here it is not passing through origin, it is symmetrical parabola. Okay, y square is equal to minus kx, equation for the parabola with the which is on negative x axis. X square is equal to ky, parabola on positive y axis. X square is equal to minus ky. If the given x square value is equal to minus ky, that is the equation for parabola on negative y axis. If the equation is of the form y is equal to ax plus bx square, it is also for parabola, which is asymmetrical parabola. Actually, this is the equation we required for us. For the second chapter, motion in a plane, there will show equation for the projectile is parabola. There will get y is equal to ax minus bx square. Whenever this is the equation given, so what is the shape of the graph? So graph shape will be like this. Still now what I written, these are the equation for the parabola. Like every shape, there is one equation is there. For example, if they given circle, so what is the equation for the circle? Circle equation is given by, so x square plus y square will be equal to a square. X square plus y square value will be equal to a square. Whenever if x square plus y square is equal to a square, if I plot the graph between x and y, this is the value of y and this is the value of x. So what is the shape of the graph corresponding to this equation? X square plus y square value is equal to a square is a straight line. And what is a here? A is the radius. The radius of the circle value will be given by what? E, which is equation for the circle. Okay, x square plus y square is equal to a square. So equation for the circle. So circle radius value will be equal to what? E. Is it okay now? Whenever I told the circle, immediately you need to remember x square plus y square value is equal to a square. So after completion of the circle, fourth one you should come to know. So what is the ellipse? What is the shape of the elliptical shape? So ellipse. What is the difference between, what is the equation for the ellipse is given by x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is the equation which will represent the elliptical shape. When I plot the graph between x and y, x will be taken, y will be taken here, x will be taken here. So graph will be a rectangle, so elliptical shape. What is the major difference? Once again, I will show you screenshot at the end of the class. What is the major difference between the circle and ellipse? In circle, horizontal radius and vertical radius both are same. Whereas for the ellipse, so vertical radius and horizontal radius both are not same. So when I consider an elliptical shape, so for this elliptical shape, there are two axes are there. So one will be of major axis, other will be of minor axis. One will be of major axis, one will be of minor axis. This is the elliptical shape. For this elliptical shape, this axis is called as major axis, and this axis is called as minor axis. In this elliptical shape, so radius of the major axis, radius of the minor axis, both are not same. Whenever the radius of the major axis, radius of the minor axis, both will become same, then it will become x square by a square plus y square by a square will be equal to 1. When x square by a square plus y square by a square will be equal to 1, the equation will become x square plus y square value will be equal to a square. So this is the equation for which one? Ellipse. You will come to Nora. So that is the equation for which one? No? That is the equation for the ellipse. What is the major difference between the ellipse and circle? If the horizontal and vertical radius both are same, that ellipse will become circular. Actually, you will come to know generally. So according to Bohr atom model, electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a circular path. You'll come to know. You will come to know. Just wait. Okay. So I explain once again. I will. You don't bother. Just what I want is vowel should not required. Just what I want is what is the equation. Now last class we discussed regarding the straight line. Straight line means what is the equation for representation of straight line. You will come to know. Wait. For representation of straight line, you know that The same manner, for there are still other than the straight line, there are still some shapes are there. So circular path will be there, elliptical shape will be there. Sommerfeld elliptical model. There you studied now. So elliptical shape will be there, parabola shape will be there. For each and every shape, there is one equation is there. You don't want anything. Just what you want is you need to know what is the equation corresponding, what is a graph corresponding to the equation. And you don't take much tension also. If I told the equation, students, if I told the equation corresponding to that equation, you have to identify what is the shape of the graph. Ashte Saga. What is the graph shape corresponding to the equation? So that is more enough for you. How and why, and these all you will come to know in mathematics. Okay, na? Y square is equal to kx. It is the equation for what? Elliptical shape. Y square is equal to minus kx. It is also equation for elliptical shape. X square is equal to ky. Equation for elliptical shape. Sorry. Equation for parabola shape. Okay. And y square is equal to ax plus bx square. Equation for parabola. Y is equal to ax minus bx square. This is also equation for parabola. Parabola. Parabola equation, okay na? Sweta, what is there to understand? I'm telling you to just remember how it is and why it is. Sweta, you will come to know in your mathematics part. Like how you written equation for the straight line. So like that, I don't know what is parabola called in Kannada, I don't know. So similarly, what is the equation for parabola? That equation you should come to know. And similarly, what is Sweta? What is circle equation? Circle equation, I think you studied. Why it is used? In physics, we'll get many number of graphs. While drawing the graph, these equations are useful. Okay, Nara? So circle. Whenever if I told you a circle, what is the equation for the circle? X square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay. So, and what is the equation for ellipse? Ellipse equation given by x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So what is the difference? Now all examples you will come to know when syllabus started. So that time you will come to know example for all. The graph drawn between displacement and time is a parabola. The graph drawn between the displacement and time is a parabola. Meaning of ellipse enilla. Ellipse also one of the special case of circle is a special case of ellipse. In ellipse, there is one special case is there. That special case only named called as ellipse. What is the difference between the ellipse and circle is what? So whenever the radius, horizontal radius, vertical radius both are same, that ellipse will become ellipse. In circle is a special case of ellipse. That is the meaning of ellipse. So this is the equation for elliptical shape. After completion of elliptical shape, so next one is, till now how many I written? 4 I written. So fifth one. So fifth one is rectangular hyperbola. So what is rectangular hyperbola? What is that is? Rectangular hyperbola. I will provide the screenshot for this. Today class is completely, you needed to require rectangular hyperbola. What is hyperbola? You will come to know all these are the mathematical tools. Rectangular hyperbola. So whenever x value inversely proportional to y or y value inversely proportional to x, if I write, so y value inversely proportional to x. Y value inversely proportional to x. Inversely proportional andre, so with increasing x value, y value decrease. When y value inversely proportional to x, what I will get? X into y is equal to constant. Whenever x into y is equal to constant, if I plot the graph between x and y, so this will be x, y, and this will be of x. So graph will be a rectangular hyperbola. This shape is called as what? A rectangular hyperbola. I will give one example for rectangular hyperbola. You know, for Boyle's law. Boyle's law you study. At a constant temperature, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. The pressure inversely proportional to volume, P into V is constant. When P into V value will be constant, if I plot the graph between, so P and V, P into V value will be equal to constant. So once again, students. So if I plot the graph between P and V, is it screen is visible? Screen visible? So here according to the Boyle's law, screen visible, students? Okay, according to Boyle's law, P inversely proportional to V. When P inversely proportional to V, P into V is constant. Whenever P into V is constant, if I plot the graph between the pressure and volume, so what is the shape of the graph? Graph will be a rectangular hyperbola. What is the shape of the graph? So graph is a rectangular hyperbola. Okay. Screen is not full. Suddenly it is reduced. Once again. Now is it visible? So this is the equation for which one? Rectangular hyperbola. Okay, Nara? This is the shape of the graph for rectangular hyperbola. Okay. Now okay, I think. Now it is visible. So this is the equation for which one? Now is it visible now? Okay, na? So rectangular hyperbola. When you will get a graph rectangular hyperbola, when x and y both are inversely proportional, the graph drawn between x and y will be a rectangular hyperbola. The example for the rectangular hyperbola, everyone is asking examples. For every graph you will come to know. So what is the one example is given by Boyle's law. As per the Boyle's law, when pressure value at a constant temperature, pressure inversely proportional to volume. When pressure inversely proportional to volume, PV value will be equal to constant. If the equation is of the form x inversely proportional to y, or x into y is constant, with increasing x value, so what happened to y value will be decreases. Whenever it is decreases, so this is the shape of the graph which is indicating rectangular hyperbola. Example I told you now, whenever a pressure inversely proportional to V, PV is constant. If I plot the graph between P and V, with increasing P value, what happened to V value? Decreases. Okay, Nara? This is further graph, numerical examples will not be there. Only mathematical equations will be there. Numerical examples for the graph will not be there. Only the mathematical equations are there. And these are the total number of graphs we may come across while discussing our syllabus. Okay, Nara? So those who want, you can take the screenshots for this class. So those who want from the starting, you can make the screenshot. So once you check, we started from here, parabola. As class is finished, screenshots if you want, you can take. Second screenshot, they will intimate to you whether a bridge course exam will be there or will not be there. They will intimate. In college, they will intimate. So take the screenshots. Equation you have you have to identify how you have to remember means actually not remembering, you can analyze here. Actually, how can you analyze here? As per this graph, with increasing x value, y value decreasing, and y inversely proportional. You will come to know the relation. What is the relation between y and x? When y inversely proportional to x, x into y value will be constant. Okay. So closing the class for today. Tomorrow we continue. So you can quit from the meeting.